Well, even as the central government has decided to go ahead with the NEET exams across India, in Bengaluru, we're at a NEET center where we're going to show you the preparations that are underway. You can see in the far distance, that is the first entry to this examination center where students are being screened for their admit card, for an ID proof, and also for a passport size photo. Now, while of course, Bengaluru city being a metro, you would expect most of the students to not really have much of a difficulty arriving at the center. We've spoken to several students who had various issues just arriving to the center. Many of them have come from other districts like Chikmagaluru or other flood hit districts. They've had to take buses. Some of them have of course managed to hitch rides halfway, and a whole lot of issues really that they've even faced to just come down to the center itself. Now, while of course, we have been highlighting the problems of students, let's actually show you the arrangements over here at the center. You can see how there's one person over here who's first screening the student and asking them whether they have any metal objects on them. This could be ornaments such as rings or, chains or any of that. And once the students confirm that they don't have any objects on them, you can see the mask that has been made mandatory. Their ID cards are being checked here, their admit cards are being checked here. Further going forward, you can see the thermal screening that's being done, and then the students are being frisked, like you can see, and just to ensure that they're not really carrying any objects on them. And going forward, of course, you can see there have been boxes that have been made to ensure that the students actually maintain the social distancing. So this is pretty much the protocol across all the major metro cities, and these are the guidelines that have actually been laid down now by the NTA in order to ensure that students do not really crowd. Now, let's also give you an understanding. For example, if today's exam is at 2 p.m., the gates over here, or the entry gates, actually start to shut by about 1:15 is when 1:30 is the last, is what we understand as per the guidelines that have been laid down. So, of course, there are many parents who've come to drop off their students also, and we did of course happen to speak to them a little while earlier, but there are a few students who are just coming in. Let's try and get in a word here from the student who's just come. Hi, so you've come here to write the exam. Did you have any concerns about it? Are the arrangements in place good? Are you satisfied?
Yes, ma'am. I'm satisfied about NEET exam.
Okay.
And the preparation for NEET exam.
Okay, so where have you come from?
I am from Biddi.
Okay. So how did you travel? Was there any issue in traveling? It is pretty far. It's not very close by also.
Yes, ma'am. So a little bit traffic in Bangalore.
Okay, how did you come?
By car, ma'am.
Okay, by car. Okay, all right. Thank you. Well, that was of course what one student had to say. Again, Biddi, a little bit on the outskirts of Bengaluru, not very close to the city limits that we're at right now. But like we did mention, that there are several students who are coming, braving all the odds, many challenges that they've been facing also while arriving to the centers. Let's remember that also. Another challenge that many students are facing is the fact that many districts of Karnataka are flooded. So they're having to, bear all of those odds, come down here, write the exam, and even head back safely. But they're willing to do it, of course. Let's remember, a very crucial exam in a student's life right now for them to be able to, secure a good seat in the college of their choice. So having said that, we're wishing all the students a very, very, good luck. And also, more importantly, we can only urge the students to ensure that they maintain social distancing and follow all precautions at all times.